In this experiment, we're going to calculate the specific heat capacity of a block of metal. For this experiment, you'll need a power pack and a joule meter. You'll also require a block of metal. For this one I've selected aluminium, and some insulation to surround the block and stop the heat from being lost. You'll need a thermometer to measure the temperature change, an immersion heater to supply the heat to the block, and lastly leads to connect all the electrical devices together. This experiment will be quicker if you use the 12-volt setting on the power pack. Take a close look at the joule meter. One side is labelled source and the other side is labelled load. Use leads to connect the source side of the joule meter to the power pack and connect the load side to the immersion heater. Put the aluminium block into the insulation, then put the immersion heater and the thermometer into the appropriate holes. Before starting the joule meter, take the initial reading for temperature. Make sure the dial on the joule meter is pointing to energy, then you can press start. Be careful because now the immersion heater will start to get hot. During the experiment, watch the thermometer carefully and allow the temperature to rise by 20 degrees Celsius. Pause the joule meter and then read the energy supplied from the screen. Using the energy supplied, the mass of the aluminium block and the temperature change, you'll be able to work out the specific heat capacity of aluminium.